So this just decided to spawn over here for some reason. I don't know why, but yeah, it is here. Nice view from my balcony. I mean, I don't know if it is a balcony, but it is something. But it is a nice view. You could see there are a lot of construction going on in the very distant, but it is what it is. One fun thing about, I guess, European countries, this is locked, this is open, this is different type of open where it just decides to come off completely. Yeah, like this. It opens from the top, you know. An interesting concept. You just do this so it doesn't come out like vertically. You might be wondering why I do not upload much.
I know that this could feel like that, but I just can't stop. That my defenses drop.
This train is for Dublin.
I know that I was born to kill any angel on my windowsill, but it's so dark inside. I throw the windows wide. I know, la 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 la. I know, la 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 la. Still I don't let go. And fields of flowers grow. Oh, it feels like I'm falling in love. Maybe for the first time. Baby, it's my mind. You blow, it feels like I'm falling in love. You're throwing me a lifeline. This is for a lifetime. I know that in this kind of scene of two people there's a spark between. One gets torn